Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome to our channel. I am Dee from D&D Gardening, and guess where I am? I'm outside! Yay! Oh, it has been cold. Take these off, I sound like I'm talking through a tunnel. Okay, it has been cold, but you're not supposed to let the cold stop you from coming outside. But I had a cold, and it was cold outside, so couldn't quite do that. Still getting over, where am I going? Getting over cold, but I am outside, and what I am going to do is I'm going to put some cardboard from some boxes. Okay, not sure when my camera cut off, but what I'm going to do, I'll just repeat it. I am going to be bouncing around the garden today. I am going to tear up some cardboard, add it to my compost bin. I am also going to take some straw that I got finally and mulch around all of my raised beds and my containers, my grow bags and my 5-gallon buckets. Now, I think my beans have finally run their course because I have not I just went blank. I have not harvested any since the last time I harvested, which was a couple of weeks ago. So I will be checking those, and my eggplant they're still hanging in there. I will show you those once I get done, and I don't think it's time to harvest them because, and now my phone's ringing. Spam. Just go away, and I'll show you those once I'm done with everything else. But that is all that we're gonna do outside today, and yeah, let's get to bouncing around the garden. Yay! I love being out here. Done. Oh my God. Okay, y'all. I'm cutting off my head now. Lord Jesus. Okay, y'all just saw me talking and you didn't hear nothing. I didn't have my mic on. Dumb bunny moment. I have those too, along with CRS. Excuse me. I have dumb bunny moments. I don't say dumb moments because I don't want to offend anyone, so I call them dumb bunny moments. So what I have done is I have mulched all of my raised beds, grow bags, and 5-gallon grow bucket or buckets that have a plant in them. I did not mulch any plants that look like they are on their last leg. So because I will wait until they just go on and they're out of here, and then I will replace it with something else, and then I will mulch it. So let me show you what I've got done, what I've got accomplished. So these are, of course, my onions. These are the red onions, I believe, the Southern Belle Reds, and they are a short day onion, and these are the red onions. So I've got all of those mulched in, and of course these are the Texas Super Sweet, the 1015s. I've got those mulched in. My camera is dusty. I need to get that cleaned. Now, this is the bed that has all of my, let me zoom out, my greens, my carrots, and has 1 or 2 cabbages in here. Oh, thank you, Mr. Sun, because it was looking dark there for a minute. But I've got all of those mulched in, and these are my onion sets. They are growing nicely. I've got everything in here mulched in, and I did wet it. Everything did not necessarily need to be watered, but I did wet it so the straw wouldn't just blow away in the wind, because it's a little windy today. So I did just wet it just to, keep it from blowing off. That's a little cabbage that is trying to make its way out. Well, he done made his way out. He's trying to form a little head in there. I'll show you one of the bigger ones. But these are the carrots, and they are growing fantastically. I am so in love with, well, I love carrots anyway, so they are doing really well. I did not mulch my carrots though, because that's just too much. And somebody in the comments tell me if you mulch your carrots. I'd like to know. This is a bean plant that has been here since, Lord have mercy, I don't even know. And it has, okay, somebody just drove down the alley. It has tried and tried and tried. It has given me maybe 6 beans. So since it's trying, I mulched it. There's my dill. I don't even know how much is in there, but I did not mulch it because I think dill is fine with the cold, I think. So didn't mulch it because it's a whole lot in there, because I just broadcast seeds in there, and I ain't even trying to go through it to see. Did not mulch those 2 bean plants, because one is the dragon tongue and the other is, I don't even know. And they have given me absolutely nothing. So no, y'all just go on and go. I'm just gonna let you go on your own. This is my potato plant, which is doing well. The branches have gotten so heavy they've fallen over. These are those little Dutch, what do you call them? The Dutch yellow potatoes. I hope there's some potatoes in there. But then here are some more carrots that are growing. Did not mulch those. Didn't mulch those because that one has a carrot or 6 in it. That has, like, I think I planted apple seeds, and something grew, and then I think it went. So yeah, I'll just let it go, y'all. My ground cherries. I'm going to do something different with the ground cherry next time. I'm going to plant it in a bigger container. I have a 21-gallon container, and that way, as it grows, the cherries, or the ground cherries, will fall inside of the container and not all over the ground, and that will be a lot easier. So that's what I'm going to do the next time I plant a ground cherry. But that's what I did with that. Ooh, I forgot to mulch my one leek. I'll have to come back and do that. But those are my other onion sets that I planted right there. I did mulch those. Right here are the leftover onions that I had from Dixondale Farms. I went on and mulched that. These are some turnips, the purple top white globe turnips that I just planted here. So I mulched those. This is the other bed that has, basically it is like 90%, well, let me say it like this. It is 87%, my phone is doing something. It's 97% cabbage, 2% eggplant, 1% broccoli. And I know my percentages are wrong because I've added a couple of bean plants in here. But anyway, cabbage. Did I just stand in the light? I sure did. That one's trying to form a little head. All of my cabbages are trying to form heads. This one is trying to form a little head in there. Don't know if you can see it. Can you see it in there? There we go. This one is folding over. This is another eggplant. I was fighting the leaf-footed bug on this one. Ooh, I see a leaf-footed bug on my eggplant. How am I gonna get him off of there? I'm gonna show y'all who I'm fighting. See him? Yeah, he was on the other side of the leaf. When I hit the leaf, he came on this side. And I've got flowers coming. See that bud? And I think there's more buds on here somewhere. Like right there are some buds coming. But here are more cabbages growing. But I got this bed all mulched. And I removed dead leaves from the bottom, and I removed the lower leaves from the bottom of all of the plants to get them off of the bed floor. Ooh, that's a big old wasp that just flew in here. But I did remove all of the leaves from the very bottom of each plant so they wouldn't be laying on the bottom. Oh, that's two mating. What are they doing? Oh, hi, ladybug. What, is that one big one? Yeah, I think that's a big one. But he's turning around in circles. I don't know what he's doing. But anyway, just don't come over here. But I've got all of them, and I've got one broccoli that has a huge head on it. And I think it's time for me to harvest it, I think. I really think. And here's another broccoli that I don't even see a head on. But anywho, but y'all, with that wasp. It's either a wasp or a hornet. I don't know what it is. As long as he ain't bothering me, we cool. Okay, I'm sorry. I don't even know what y'all were looking at because I was too busy looking for the wasp. And it's dark over here. Let me see if I can turn this way and you can see. Look at my eggplants. Can you see them? They're getting bigger. And I even have a new one growing. A baby one. Can you see it in my hand? Ooh. Don't you get on me. There's one. I'm just so pleased. And this one hanging out. I am just so pleased with the way it's going. Okay. That is all I did today. And I'm tired. So, I'm going to go in the house. I am going to relax. After I take a bath, make my honey some food before he goes to work. And then I'm going to relax. No, I'm not, because I've got other things I need to do. If this is your first time or your 5th time joining me on my little journey with my gardening, please consider subscribing if you liked the content. Please like, share, and subscribe. And always remember, somebody's having some work done and they're talking back and forth. Anyway, always remember to grow your own, eat your own. And I will see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.